Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
Good.
You come late.
I know it's.
You're not early bird.
I'm not an early bird, but I come to get some donuts. That's for sure.
Yeah, yeah. It's a great car, you
Thank
know.
you. Appreciate it.
1963.
This is a 32.
32.
Yeah.
Why you put
1932.
1963 there?
That's those are the Hawaii stickers that they would put back then. So I was given that was given to me from one of my friends that's actually from Hawaii.
Okay.
From Maui.
Oh,
And so he gave it to me.
1922?
32.
32. 1932.
1932.
Okay, so great car. I put your car on the video on YouTube.
Thank you.
Okay.
I have a buddy who
grew up on that kind of stuff.
one of my friends just knows all about it. He does it in his shop out in Palms area. He works on all sorts of stuff. But primarily a BMW shop. He and I used to work together at Ruben BMW and Zippy BMW.
Those are some plastic kids. I mean, huh? Oh, yeah. Ford Motors.
It'll take a little bit of work to put it black, but it could be done.
Oh, yeah.
I see what you're talking about.
Yes, set up.
Oh,
All it is, took out the money.
yeah. A lot of cotton well.
Yeah. Yeah.
Stitches everywhere.
Yeah.
Everything's for sale.
It's
if you
cool.
got enough money. There you go.
Leave it up to your pockets and fill mine. It's available. It's not like the old days where you take the parts and they bring it to the garage. I tell some people, I said, all these guys pull the head off, grab a file, and get more compression, better shots.
Some of the paint jobs I've seen, I've done better jobs painting in my backyard, outside.
I don't even know. You know the ones I hated, the big, those honeycomb, or what do they call them? The beaks, honeybee, or whatever they call God, they're ugly. Yeah, I know. They were stock on there, though. Like they were that way, stock.
What's that?
Let's go to the bank.